Good morning, students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we will study page number 84. On page number 84, we will start with the 1/3 turn. Students, till now we have learned about half turn and 1/4 turn. Students, if what in a half turn, if we see, for example, if I draw a circle, just assume that it is a clock. In a clock, if we see this 12 is a pointer. If I want to make a half turn, then I will come till here. So here it is, for example, 6 o'clock, isn't it, students? So half turn, when we are rotating, if our pointer is here, the half turn when it come, it will come towards the 6 o'clock, and from 6 again, if I make a half turn, it will come towards this 12 position, 6 position and 12 position. So one whole circle, if we want to do, it is also 360 degree, and the half turn we come, it is for 180 degree. If you want a pointer is here, and if you want to turn half, it will come here, and from here again, if you make it a half, it will come to the 12 o'clock, 12th position. Okay, and this position. Now students, this was the half turn. Two half turns made one whole circle. Now we studied about the 1/4 turn. So if 1/4 turn, I explained you that for 1/4 turn we are supposed to turn 90 degree. If our position is here, then when we turn to 90 degree, it will come to this position. If you see in the clock, there are what position 3 is written, there are 3 position. So this is one rotation of 1/4. Other rotation for 1/4, it will come at the position of 6. One more 1/4 rotation if we will do, then it will come at a position of 9, and again one more rotation, it will come at a position of 12. Okay, so in one one whole round, there are 4 1/4 turns. How many 1/4 turns are there? 4 1/4. If we, from here if we start the first rotation, the position will be at this 3. Again second rotation, it will be on 6. Third rotation, it will be on 9, and fourth one, it will be on 12. So in one whole circle, there are 4 1/4 turn. Now students, if I want to turn about 1/3 turn, so 1/3 turn means 360 divided by 3, so we will get 360 divided by third. One whole turn is of 360. 360 divided by 3, we will get 120. So for 1/3 turn, we are supposed to turn 120 degrees. So 120 degrees, students, if we are starting from here, if I turn for 120 degree, it will come on the position where 4 is written, where 4 o'clock, the 1 hour, the 4 o'clock when will come, it will be a position of 1/4 turn. So at first turn, it will be on 4 position, second it will be on the position of 8, and the third it will be again on the position of 12. So in one whole circle, students, if we see, there are 3 1/3 turns. How many rotate? If you want to rotate 3 times, you can rotate in one whole circle. It is be first rotation will be, the position will be at 4, second the position will be at 8, and third the position will be again at the 12. So you will complete 3 1/3 turn in one whole circle. Understood, students? This is about the 1/3. In 1/3, you are supposed to rotate till 120 degree. Now students, we will study further. This was only for explanation what is about the 1/3. So here we studied about half turn, the 1/4 turn, and 1/3. Half turn, the position will be at 6. 1/4 turn, the position will be at 3, and 1/3 turn, the position will be at 4. Means for half turn, the whole circle is to be divided into 2 parts, 2 rotation. Then in 1/4, it will be completed by 4 turns, and 1/3 it will be completed by 3 turns. One half rotation, it is 180. Then 1/4, it is 90 degree, and 1/3 it will be 120 degree. Now which fan will look the same on 1/3 turn? Which fan? See students, if we see our this fan at 1/3, this blade will come here, this blade will come here, and this blade will come here. So this fan will look the same because it will all the shapes and the color is same. So this fan will look the same. Take it here. This fan will not look the same because students, this is color is green, the blade is green. This blade will come at here, this will come at here, and this will come at here. So it will not look the same, because here the green color is here, and after 1/3 rotation the green color will be here, so it will not look the same. Understood, students? Now here draw this shape after 1/3 turn. See student, after 1/3 turn, if you want to, this is triangle, it is all the three sides are there. So after 1/3 rotation, this shape will come at this angle. तो यहाँ पर जो है वो यहाँ पर है, तो इट विल बी सेम ओनली, देयर विल बी नो चेंज. अब वैसे ही ट्राइंगल यहाँ पर ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. तो आफ्टर 1/3 रोटेशन देयर विल बी नो चेंज इन दिस triangle. Same it will look, because a triangle is having three sides. So एक rotation go. If you do one rotation, it will again look the same only. Understood, students? Now students, we will learn about 1/6 turn. Students, in 1/6 turn, if we see this picture, in 1/6 turn we are supposed to, here is the starting position. In 1/6 turn, it is till here. So in 1/6 turn we are supposed to turn only for 60 degree. How many degree? 60 degree. For example, we can see 360 divided by how much? It is about the till here. So we can do about the 360 divided by 6. So how much degree we are supposed to turn? 360 divided by 6. तो कितना हुआ? 360. तो it is 60 degree. So in 1/6 turn we are supposed to turn for how much degree? Only 60 degree. So if we are here it will come the position of this. Okay students? तो 60 degree. For example, अगर clock draw करके समझाऊँ आपको मैं, if you see a circle, if we start at 12, so for 60 degree turn we will come at the position of 2, then one turn at 2, other turn if we see at 4, other turn if we see at 6, then 8, okay, then it will come at 8, then it will come at 10, and then at 12. So these are the turns of 1/6 turn. Okay students, here it is explained very nicely. So in 60 degree, if you want turn, first here, then one turn, then 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. The whole circle is divided into 6 parts and 6 turns. Isn't it students? So 1/6 turns means if an object is here, it will be turned little bit, only 60 degree to position will be changed. So it is a 1/6. Now students, it is about a practice time here. Look at the following shapes. Draw how they will look at 1/3 and 1/6 turn. Students, I will explain you. If we will put this diagram, तो when it will turn 1/3, ये बाहर का जो डायग्राम रहेगा ना, it will be the same only. It will be the same only. But this inner triangle will be changing little bit. It will be changing. Here it is flat, so that flat part will come this side. So when we turn here, it will be if I draw this diagram, this portion here यहाँ पे straight है ना, तो यहाँ उस टाइप of if you change it, the straight portion will be this side. मतलब इस टाइप का ट्राइंगल, वो भी अंदर वाला ट्राइंगल इस टाइप का हो जाएगा. Okay, so there will be a little bit change here. In 1/6 rotation, if it turn 1/6 rotation, 1/3 rotation, it will not will come here. मैंने 1/6 को बना दिया गलती से. Let us check. 1/3 rotation, तो if it is here, then this will be the 1/3. It will be having no change. यहाँ पर है तो यहाँ पर आ जाएगा. But when we are talking about 1/6, the inner triangle will be little bit change. वो थोड़ा बहुत change होगा. Rest out of the portion will be the same only. Now if we come here, this portion, when we turn 1/3, it will be the same only. This part will be here, तो ये यहाँ पर आ जाएगा, तो भी वो कैसा रहेगा? It will be the same only. And for 1/6 rotation, this part will come here, then also it will look the same. तो यहाँ पर भी दोनों जगह पे same ही आ जाएगा. I will write down. If you can draw with pencil, you can draw with the pencil in the textbook, but there is no need to draw. Now here also the start. When we move at a 1/3 rotation, this part will come here. So here also same part is there, so there will also be no change. It will be same and 1/6 position also, this part will come here and the rest of will be the same only. So here also there will be no change, it will be the same diagram. In circle here, if you see, it is here. When we will change it little bit, when it will be 1/3, this part will come here. So there will be no change, isn't it? There will be no change. But when we do it 1/4 position, 1/6 position, so this whole part will come here. So थोड़ा सा वो कैसा हो जाएगा, it will be little bit slighted, tilted. जैसे मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, तो थोड़ा सा वो tilted आ जाएगा. Understood students? Little bit tilted it will be here. So this will be the same. 1/3 will be same and 1/6 will be not same. Okay students? Understood or not? Okay. So this was about the 1/6 turn and 1/3 turn. Now students will move further. Look at the following shape. Find out which shape of these figures look the same on 1/3 turn. Mark them with a tick. Which are the one that will not look the same after 1/3 turn? मतलब यहाँ पर हमें क्या करना है? We are supposed to mark tick which shapes will look the same, and we are supposed to mark false which shapes will not look the same. Okay students, now see the first one, this circle. आप सारे shapes once you can see all the shapes properly. The first one, the circle. After 1/3 thing, this part will come here. Here also the same thing is there, but then also it will not look the same. Why it will not look the same? In the previous exercise I told you that this will look the same at 1/4, isn't it? But that circle was, if we can see, that circle was in a plain black and white color. उसमें no change was there. But if we see here, in this circle there is, this is pink, this is yellow, and this is blue. If we will turn, this pink color will, after 1/3, this pink color will come here. So there will be a change in the color, isn't it students? So it will not look the same. So we will put a cross here. Now the second one, if we see, here is a pink color, rest of all a yellow color. After 1/3, this portion will, after 1/3, this portion will come at this side, isn't it? This portion will come at here. So here it will be yellow color, but here we are pink color is that, so it will change. The pink color will come here. So it will also not be the same because of the color. This will also not be the same. Now here in this position, if we see, after 1/3 position, see students, here the color is also the same, center is a circle, but inside the figure it is a pentagon which having a 5 shapes. So when it will turn to 1/3, so this part will come at here, this part will come here. तो यहाँ पर जो आएगा ना, वहाँ पर क्या आ जाएगा, ये वाला पार्ट यहाँ पर आएगा, तो it will be here, it will be flat. क्या आ जाएगा, flat. So it will be not look the same after 1/3. So we will also put a cross here. Okay students, वो हमें यहाँ पे भी same, because all the outer image will be same, but the inner image will be not be the same after 1/3. So we will put a cross here. This triangle, it is the same, it will be same, सारा same here, all the 3 sides are there, the color is also same. So when it will rotate 1/3, this pointer will come here, so it will be the same here with this also. The same triangle is there, here is the pointer, after 1/3 this will become here, and the inner triangle if we see, it will be also there here, so वो भी same ही रहेगा. तो this will be also the same. The last figure also, after 1/3, if we see our 1/3, this will come here and the same image will be changed. ये भी अंदर का जो भी रहेगा वो भी same ही रहेगा after 1/3, तो this will be also the same only. Okay students, so the above 3 will be changed, the shape will be changed, and in some of the color will be changed, and the below 3 will be the same. ये 3 के अंदर there will be changes will be there after 1/3, and this 3 will be the same after the 1/3. Understood students? This also you are supposed to do in the textbook only. ये सारी exercise आपको textbook में ही करनी है. There is nothing to do in the notebook. Now students, the question number C. is try and change the shape below in such a way that they look the same on 1/3 turn. सबसे पहले तो स्टूडेंट्स वी विल चेक आउट दैट कौन से शेप्स है जो अलग हो जाते हैं, इजंट इट? सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल सी दैट if with this shape, if we turn it 1/3, it will be change, isn't it? Because here the circle is there and that circle will come here, so it will be change. So here it will be have a change. If I want to make it same, जैसे कि if I will turn it 1/3 and it will look same, then students, one simple change we are supposed to do. This green circle which is here, that we will place it in the center. So after placing it in the center, all the things are the same. So if it will turn 1/3, then this will come and here, this will come here, and this will come here. So it will be look the same, isn't it, students? Now here, see, we will see only the circle which is drawn in the book. That shape only we will see. If we will make it 1/3, then this green circle will come at here, isn't it? 1 2 3 4 5 6 are there, so this green circle will come at here. This blue will go here, this blue will do here. So this green will come here, so and this blue will here. So we are supposed to change, if so it will also be not be the same, वो भी same नहीं रहेगा after 1/3, because here it is blue and the green will come here, isn't it? So if we want to make it the same after the change, then we should have all this circle should be of the same color. Then only when we'll turn it, it will look the same, isn't it, students? Okay, so here it will also be change, it will also be change, there will also be a change, there will also be a change. Now look at here. Here if we there are 6 blades are there. If we turn it, this will come here, so there will be change because it is a blue color and it is a orange color, so there will be a change in the color. If we want to make some changes so that they look the same, then students, we are supposed to change the colors of the blade. या तो we should make it all the blue, or we should make all it orange, so when it will turn, they will look the same. Here is a rectangle, 2 rectangles are there, 1 circle is there. If we change it into 1/3 position, this point will come here, this will come here, and this will come here, and the orange, this shape will also be the same, so it will be change. So there will be no change here. So after doing at 1/3 turn, this picture will look the same. Here is a circle. If we will rotate it 1/3 turn, if we'll do, then this circle will come here, so it will have a change. But students, if we want to make a change so that it will not have any change after 1/3 turn, then this yellow circle we will place in the center. So after this yellow circle will be in center, then if we turn it 1/3, then there will be no change. Understood, students? So only this much only we are supposed to do. It was only for an explanation. So if such type of changes if we'll do in this 5 pictures, then after 1/3 turn, they will look the same. Okay, now students, question number 3 and 4, this is for your practice. You are supposed to do it by your own. Draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/3 turn. Any 1 or 2 shapes you can draw. In the textbook only, in rough only you will draw, so that when we turn it 1/3, it should look the same. And draw some shapes which will look the same after 1/6 turn. So 1/6 turns, after 1/6 turn, if we do the shape, then it should look the same. This you are supposed to do in the rough only. It is for your practice only, for your understanding only. Then it is not to be done in the textbook. In the notebook, students. Okay, students, so here we completed our chapter number 5. Does it look the same? Symmetry. I hope you have understood the lesson. It was a simple lesson, so today we completed this lesson, And in this today's session, nothing is to be done into the notebook. Everything is supposed to do in the textbook. Today we learned about the 1/3 turn. 1/3 turn is that it is 120 degree. Then we learned about 1/6 turn, that was of the 60 degree. Okay students, this whole practice exercise you are supposed to do in your textbook only. For the explanation, there was no sum here, only the explanation part was there, so you are supposed to do it in your textbook only.